Hello everyone, here I am Subham Sai Mahapatro to teach you the fundamental of computers. Here we will discuss some basic questions related to computers. I think everybody might be knowing the answers of this, but let's revise and get through these basic questions. So let's start the first slide. So who is known as the father of computer? So you all must be knowing it. Who is known as the father of computer? The answer is Charles Babbage. He was born on 1791 and his death was on 1871. He was an English. He was a mathematician and philosopher. Originated the concept of programmable computer. You should remember this. He originated the concept of a programmable computer. These are the basic things everyone should know. CPU. You all must be knowing about CPU, right? So what is the full form of CPU? CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. As you can see here in the picture, you can see the CPU. It consists of the RAM, the ROM, hard disk, everything. Everything is fitted inside the CPU. It is known as the brain of the computer. Next. UNIVAC. What is the full form of UNIVAC? The full form of UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. You can see the UNIVAC picture also is given. This is a big computer. This is an old one. And the computers previously were very big and very big in size and very complicated in operating. So UNIVAC, the full form of UNIVAC is Universal Automatic Computer. What is the full form of computer? So everyone must be knowing a computer, but many of us don't know what is the full form of computer. So there are four options. You can see the options. You can pause and answer them or just comment the answers. The full form of computer is commonly operating machine purposely used for technological and education research. This is the full form of computer. This is a very important question and a very basic one. Everyone should know this. So we are here in the fifth question. So which generation of computers are microprocessors? You all must have heard about microprocessors, but many of you must not be knowing that they belong to which generation. Okay, so the answer is the options you can see first, second, third, fourth. The answer is fourth generation. The microprocessor bought the fourth generation of computers as thousands of integrated circuits were built onto a single silicon chip. What is the first generation filled an entire room could now fit in the palm of the hand. So question number 6. For which generation operating system and integrated circuit systems were developed? The answer for this is third generation. Question number 7. The main electronic component used in the first generation of computer was. So the question is asking about the main electrical component that were used in the first generation of computer. So you all must be knowing the answer. This is very common question and is asked in many exams. The answer is vacuum tubes. The first generation computers used vacuum tubes. In computer system, one nibble is equal to. This is also a very important question. In computer system, one nibble is equal to 4 bits. Okay, question number 9. How many computer generations are present? This is a very interesting question. Till now, how many computer generations are present? The answer is 5. As you can see in the picture, first generation, second generation, third generation, fourth generation, fifth generation. As you can see in the fifth generation, we use ultra large scale integration. You have to remember everything. The first generation used vacuum tubes, second generation used transistors, third generation they used integrated circuits, fourth generation very large scale integration, and the fifth generation, the generation which is going on now, is ultra large scale integration. Question number 10. What is the time period of second generation computer? So you can see the options. Option A is the correct answer. 1959 to 1965. The part of CPU which performs all mathematical operations. Which part of CPU performs all the mathematical operations? The answer is ALU. You can see the picture of ALU here. FIFO stands for FIFO. FIFO stands for first in, first out. ENIAC, ENIAC stands for. You can see the options. You can just pause and comment the options if you want to answer yourself. Then you can see the answers. Is electronic numerical integrator and computer. ENIAC stands for electronic numerical integrator and computer. In computer, OCR stands for. What is the full form of OCR in computers? Is optical character recognition. Optical character recognition, you can see here. The picture is also given. So this is, if anyone asks you what is the full form of OCR related to computer, you have to answer it optical character recognition. This is a very interesting question and a basic question and asked in many exams. Who is the developer of mouse? The answer is Douglas Engelbart. The man you can see in the picture is Douglas Engelbart and he is the developer of mouse. Which of the following are the mode of data transmission? This all of the above are mode of data transmission. As you can see, simplex, halfplex, full duplex. These all are means of data transformation. How many function keys are on keyboard? So the number of function keys in the keyboard are 12. As you know that the function keys refers to F1 to F12. You can see if you are using a laptop or a computer keyboard, you can see that the function key is from F1 to F12. So 12 function keys are there on keyboard. Walkie-talkie is an example of halfplex, because in walkie-talkie you just say and the other one hears it. They can't say you back. So it is an example of halfplex mode of transmission of data. You will just say it and the other one at the receiver end just listens it. But he cannot, at the same time he cannot say you back. That is the meaning of halfplex. Question number 19. The structure format of data is called, as you can see the options, management, formatting, syntax, none. So the answer will be syntax. The structure format of data is called as syntax. Telephone network is the example of full duplex. As I was saying you that in that telephones you can just speak to someone at the receiver end and they can speak you back at the same time. So that is an example of full duplex method of data transmission. The location of the resource on internet is given by its, as you can see the options, choose the correct one. The answer is A, URL. The length of IP address is, what is the length of IP address? It's 32 bits. The length of IP address is 32 bits. Question number 24. HDD is the example of, it's hard disk drive. As you can see in the picture here, HDD is the example, hard disk drive is the example of secondary form of storage. How much data can be stored in a CD? This is a very basic question and 90s kids must be knowing this, because CDs were very much in use in the 90s and 2000s. So 90s kids must be knowing this. How much data can be stored in a CD is 700 MB. The first computer network is ARPANET. The first computer network is ARPANET. So ARPANET stands for, you can see A, B, C, D, you can choose any option. Okay, ARPANET stands for Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Advanced Research Projects agency network. What is the example of binary number? The option A is correct, 0 and 1. 0 and 1 are binary numbers. What is cookie in computer? Don't confuse it with the cookies that we eat. Cookies in computer is something that stores information about the user web activity, not the cookie that we eat in our regular life. So 30, the option A is correct answer. Stores information about the user's web activity. Image in the computer screen is made up of is pixels. The answer is pixels. Image in the computer screen is made up of pixels. You must be hearing about this megapixels, pixels. These are the same thing. These are the same units of the computer screen. The image quality, we can measure the image quality in form of pixels. Turn on the computer for the first time on a day is called. When you turn on the computer for the first time in a day, it is a term is given to it. It's given as cold boot. What is the full form of BIOS? Basic input output system. You can see the picture of BIOS here. So if anyone asks you in any exam what is the full form of BIOS, you need to remember this: basic input output system. Who was the father of internet? Now this is a very important question and it is asked in many exams. Who was the father of internet? Question number 34. You can see there are 4 options. The correct answer is Vint Cerf. He is the father of internet. Computer refresh shortcut key. If you want to refresh the computer, what is the shortcut key for it? Which function key is the shortcut key for refreshing a computer? You all must be knowing it. The F5. The F5 is the correct answer. B, F5 is the correct answer. It is the refresh shortcut key. You can refresh a computer by using the mouse also, or you can just refresh the computer by pressing the F5 key. What is the shortcut key to open the dialog box? Control plus F12 is the shortcut key to open the dialog box. If you want to open a dialog box, the shortcut key for it is Control plus F12. Portrait and landscape are examples of. If someone says you what is portrait and landscape, they are examples of the page orientation. Page can be of portrait or the landscape mode or size, as you can say it. Which type of operating system is MS-DOS? MS-DOS, you must be having an idea about MS-DOS operating system, and it is based on command line interface. A. Which type of operating system is MS-DOS? Is command line interface. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is called, this is a simple question, if a computer has more than one processor, it is called as multiprocessor. More than one, multi, simple. The F12 key is used to open Save as dialog box. If you want to open the Save as dialog box directly, then you can just press the F12 function key and the Save as dialog box will appear on your screen. What is used to manage database? Question number 41. What is used to manage database? Is DBMS. DBMS is used to manage database. What is the operating system developed by Apple? Many of you must be using the Apple phones or Apple laptops or Apple computers even. So the operating system that was developed by Apple is known as Mac OS. The shortcut key to open font dialog box. These types of questions are coming many in exams. So you need to see all the shortcut keys. The combination of shortcut keys. This is very important and coming in almost every exam. So you need to remember it, and the other questions relating to the shortcut keys also. So for question number 43, what is the shortcut key to open font dialog box? Is Control plus D. What is the full form of JPEG? Question number 44. What is the full form of JPEG? Joint Photographic Expert Group. Name the computer language used in artificial intelligence. Is Prolog. Question number 47. How is the display size of monitor is measured? If you want to measure the display size of monitor, so it is measured diagonally. We can measure the diagonal length of the monitor, and we can say the size of the monitor by it. Question number 48. The person who writes and tests computer programs is called a programmer. This is a very simple question. The person who writes and tests computer programs is called a programmer. World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on. So, World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on 2nd of December. This is a very basic and important question. World Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on 2nd of December. A cluster in a hard disk represents a group of sectors. Cluster in a hard disk, question number 50 and the last question of this slide. The cluster in a hard disk represents a group of sectors. So we conclude the part 1 of computer fundamental questions. Now we'll have a part 2 on it. So that's it for this video.